me piercing or poking yet, just me feeling for how things move. Alright, nice big deep breath. And exhale nice and steady. Dig away. Piercing is done. You're just gonna feel some friction while I guide in that jewelry.
Ow. Good job, Les. Ow. I'm so proud of you. I hope. You're so cool. This is so cool. I'm trying so hard to like relax my eyebrows and they were just not working with me.
It's so hard. And these front ones I feel like are pinchier.
Yes.
We also have to work around the existing ones, which is a little challenging.
Yeah, I'm trying so hard to relax my eyebrows and they just do not wanna.
We'll just lock it on your bead.
Sick.
Just making sure things are tight. There we go. Oh yeah, you're gonna bruise again.
Oh, thank you.
We're doing the middle of hand hold.
Yes, middle hand hold. Except no, I want your hand. Except I don't. Except I do, and I want everything.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm very nervous.
Okay.
I don't like pain.
It's okay. You can do it.
No, I can't.
You can do it.
I literally can't.
You're doing great.
Nice
No.
big deep
You're doing
breath.
good.
And exhale. Dig away. Piercing is done. Just pop in that jewelry.
Oh, my eyes are watering.
You're like 80% done.
That tracks. That's that jewelry. And now I'm just popping on that bead. You did so good.
Yay! I'm so sorry, Lynn. I don't hate you.
That's okay. You're allowed to hate me right now.
No, that's mean.
I mean, they're starting.
Yeah, but I wanted them to. That's the whole. That's the whole part. That's the whole point.
Unfortunately, you have a human
Here, sit
brain.
here while I get
Yeah.
on that bead.
Aww. Oh goodness, my eyeball. It's like you're trying to like crush my skull.
Yeah, kind of. It's also like, it's so impossible to get a good grip because you have the existing eyebrow piercings around it. So I have to just like very awkwardly be around your everything.
Yeah, I bet.
Awesome. I actually think it's gonna be the other eye that bruises this time.
Oh, well now they're symmetrical.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's okay. I can live with that. Oh my gosh, they're in my face.
They look so good.
I love that. This is such a great idea.
This was a good
I
idea.
was not complaining at